Hi guys, this is Soumya. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating this makeup look using products under 300 rupees and before getting into today's video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's get started. To prime my face, I'm using the Pantanjali Aloe Vera gel. This is my favorite primer. So I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Once it dries, I'll go with eye makeup. For eyeshadow base, I'm using the Miss Clear concealer pot in the shade beige. This is very creamy, so as soon as you apply it, start blending. I'm using a small brush to blend this well. And to set this, I'm using the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact in the shade Shell. For this look, I'm using the Miss Clear eyeshadow palette. It has good colorful matte and shimmery shades. I'll put the link of the palette in the description box. So for the crease, I'm using a dark brown shade and blending it well. For the transition shade, I'm using a peach color from the same eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna apply this on the outer corner of the eye, then start blending it. For the inner corner, I'm using orange shade which has golden shimmer. So I'm gonna apply this using a finger. And I'll again blend the crease to give a softer look. For the foundation, I'm using the Lakmé Invisible Foundation. It's a nice medium coverage foundation for the price. It takes time to blend because the consistency is little thin and liquid. Blending it with the Beauty Blender. Setting my whole face with the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact with a fluffy brush. So next I'm creating a little wing eyeliner using the Lakmé Insta eyeliner, and if you wish you can also apply kajal to the waterline. Moving on, I'm using the Wet n Wild mascara, applying it on my upper and lower eyelashes, and also setting my eyebrows with the same mascara. I didn't find any highlighter under 300, so I'm applying using a shimmer dust from Blue Heaven, which comes in a small pot. First, I'll apply it with a brush, and then using a beauty blender, I'll remove the extra dust, and it's giving a good natural glow. So finally, for the lipstick, I'm using the LA18 Colourpop lipstick in the shade Red Spin. This is a beautiful red color and this is just for 100 rupees. And this is the final look. Very easy to create, and you can just carry this on any Indian functions. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like the video and comment down if you want to see any makeup looks. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.